To add Trust Wallet Fingerprint Login, start by opening the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Ensure you have the latest version of the app installed to access the fingerprint login feature. Next, navigate to the Settings section of the app, usually found in the bottom right corner or by tapping the three lines in the top left corner. In the Settings menu, look for the Security section and select it. Within the Security section, you will find the option to enable biometric authentication, which includes fingerprint login. Tap on this option to proceed to the next step. You will then be prompted to confirm your device password or PIN to verify your identity. Enter your device password or PIN to authenticate. After verifying your identity, you will be asked to add your fingerprint by placing your finger on the fingerprint sensor. Follow the on-screen instructions to register your fingerprint. Once your fingerprint is registered, you will be given the option to enable fingerprint login for Trust Wallet. Select this option to activate the feature. With fingerprint login enabled, you can now use your fingerprint to access your Trust Wallet account instead of entering your password. This adds an extra layer of security and convenience to your cryptocurrency management. It is essential to note that fingerprint login is device-specific, so if you change devices, you will need to set up fingerprint login again on the new device. Additionally, ensure that your device has a fingerprint sensor to use this feature. By following these steps, you can securely and easily add Trust Wallet fingerprint login to your account, providing you with a more convenient and secure way to manage your cryptocurrencies.